Hi, it's me again with Corel Road Tips and Tricks Part 2. If you look, we have individual black and blue lines, and if you wanted to change the color of the blue or the black, you would have to pick every line. And I've done a lot of videos in find and replace. We're going to see how big this thing is, and it's 18, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 20. We're going to go to edit and find and replace and pick that blue and then go from selection and then go find all. Now at this time you have to control G to group it together because you can't move it right now. But then you can click off of it and move it. Now you have all the blues. So those are grouped. You can group these together, control G. And then you can make that light blue. You know, you can make this yellow. Let's make this one red. You can change all the colors at one time, and then you can just nudge them back, and you have different looking lengths of chain, if you'd call it that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.